Hi, Paula, day 5 of this video series of using games and activities to reduce stress, to connect to another person, to connect inside, to develop your awareness. And yesterday I used a hinged mirror. I hope you also did, to, for me, jump into another world, an unpredictable world where it's like a kaleidoscope, things unfold, and for me, that's so much fun. I regularly play games. I have sessions with children and adults. And for me, it's like, as I said, the analogy of making your body fit. I use games as an opening to my awareness and my attention, and to have fun. For me, it's always about having fun and joy and being with other people or even alone. And so much of the world is people connecting or talking by phone, sending messages, looking on Facebook. And I feel to make the change that has to happen, we have to remember to have fun and connect face to face with other people. So please remember to play, remember to sense when you're feeling stress, to breathe and let it go, and just be in the moment, having fun wherever you are. Even if it's in a line, feel your hands, feel your breath, enjoy. Okay, bye for now. And if you're in Auroville, South India, and you want to have a game session, please pop me a note and I would love to set something up with you. Bye for now.